An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Benjamin Franklin. Good old Benjamin Franklin. Boom! I love that quote in context to cryptocurrency, investing, and trading, because I think it's extremely important to understand, to have knowledge about the technology, about blockchain. So first things first, if you don't understand the technology about it, go research it. Especially if you're putting money into this stuff, go research, go learn. It's important. It helps you make better decisions and gives you more confidence. So with that being said, I'm going to jump into the chart here. Technical analysis, January 10th, 2018. Take it or leave it, because at the end of the day, anything can happen. But I'm going to give you my thoughts on what I see. And if you agree, cool. And if you don't, that's cool too. So we're looking at, let's see, December 22nd-ish. It's kind of like we fell into this channel right here. And in this channel, what I'm seeing is a couple things. Not only am I, I'm shooting for the trend that we've kind of started building, which is an uptrend. Still a continuation from the beginning of December, after we kind of corrected from that insane jump to 400. But I'm also seeing a couple things right now on the 4-hour chart, and I wanted to point it out to you. I'm seeing we have a low right here, we have a higher low that we bounced off of, and then we have another third higher low. So at least for the short term within this channel, I'm cautiously bullish, and I'm always long-term bullish because, I own Litecoin. I believe in Litecoin. I believe in the future. So, but as far as short-term goes, and I say cautiously because let me point this out to you. Let's go to the charts, looking at, when was this? We were at around, 70 bucks. If you remember, at the end of November, we started making some moves. Went up to around 100, and then we came down 21% to 80 pretty quickly. And then we shot back up into the $90 to $100 range. Do you remember this time frame? I do. And one thing I remember about it when we kind of fell into this channel was, man, it's pretty steady here. It's looking pretty nice. Like, we really started to get some good consolidation, and it was just a nice steady bounce in this channel. The margin right here is like 8%, and it was cool. And then we kind of, what happened at the end of December, or I'm sorry, the beginning of December, it just took off. So this has a little bit different of a vibe, right? After this increase that we saw, than right here. This channel doesn't give that. This channel feels like it has a little bit more volatility, and it does. I mean, it's bouncing around, but the margin here is right around 30%. So it's different, but at the same time, unless something crazy happens, that's kind of why I say I'm cautiously bullish, especially on the short term, just because we did bounce off this higher low here, and it looks like it's heading up. We just broke 250, and it's sitting right around 250 now. At the end of the day, these technical analysis videos, I like doing them. I hope you enjoy them as well, but we have to be honest with ourselves. They only mean so much. They only give us something to watch and something to anticipate, not to expect. Because we saw it the other day, Ethereum out of nowhere took off, broke 1,000, took off, and all the coins just tanked, most of the coins. And that can happen at any given time. So while I'm saying I'm bullish on this because we just bounced off this higher low, at the same time, I can check my computer, my phone at 11 o'clock tonight Eastern. Right now it's 8 o'clock. And we could have done this, boom, because something crazy happened. So I say that just because I think it's important just to keep that in mind, because from a long-term perspective, if we tank down to 160, I'm okay with that. I'll buy more. But from a short-term perspective, because I'm also trading Litecoin to add to my position, So separate from my long-term holdings, I'm trading to add. It's important to anticipate anything happening, because if this did happen and it tanked, it's important to have your stop losses. It's important always to have an exit strategy, whether at the bottom or the top. So keep that in mind. This is kind of where we are right now. I'm really looking forward to finally kind of trading in within this channel right there, 300 plus. I can't wait until we can break the 300 resistance. And wouldn't it be awesome if it was right off of this higher low? Boom, we break it. Even if we break it and bounce off of it a little bit, that's fine. But man, it would be nice. That's my Litecoin technical analysis for January 10th, 2018. Remember, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So do yourself a favor, get that knowledge in the cryptocurrency blockchain space. It's an important thing. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you agree or you disagree. And let's keep the conversation going. Thanks again, and God bless.